Okay, put the camera right here, and without further ado, I'm just gonna do that quick. Without further ado, here we go. Hey guys, it is Tampa Bay weather here, and today we are going to be straying from the regular weather radio content. As you can see today, I have my Grinnell Auto Call C2224, or Auto Call C2224 as I call it, because I like Auto Call, and still have the knockoff BG12, but yeah, some stuff has changed. We have the GXS-2 MWR 12-volt frosted strobe that manages to run on 24 volts, and we got an i3, and I'll explain where the hell I got that later. Oh yeah, also devices, GMS, MT, RSS, ET70, all that jazz. Alrighty, so I don't know why I'm moving this box around, but you might be wondering what's in this box. Today, I got, there's no we in this, because I'm the only fire alarm person probably in a radius of 15 miles from me, but I got a Faraday 401140 treble bell, and you might be wondering, what the hell is a treble bell? We're going to find out in this video, so without further ado, let's get this box out. So, this is a particularly, on quotes, rare device, and the reason why I put that in quotes is it's hard to find in YouTube. Not a lot of people have this device, but there's an eBay listing with a bunch of them, so I don't know. Let's just hope this doesn't cause that listing to get gobbled up. Everybody in the weather radio community, when there's a weather radio, that's rare. But I don't know. I'm going on a tangent. And now let's get whoa. Oh. Okay then. I have never seen a package with I forgot what they call them. With packaging pink are they called like packaging beans? I don't know. I don't deal with this stuff. But anyway, as you can see, so this is the model number 401140 Bell Control. And we're going to go ahead and take this guy out. Here we go. And ooh, wow, the box is a bit damaged. Oops. Hope it's got a manual. And alright, here is the treble bell. It is a double gang switch plate, like this Wheelock SM1224R sync module. And as you see, it's got a light indicator. You got a test button. You got a bell silence and bell normal switch. And then you got this mess of wires. So yeah, and I hope this thing. Okay, I think it came with a wiring diagram or a manual. Let's read it. Weatherproof. Oh, it's weatherproof. Huh. You can mount it on a weatherproof box. Concealed conduit mounting. Okay, so basically you can mount it. Okay. Typical basic unit. All bells are supplied with mounted chime or gong. Furnished with this unit are two slotted 832 by 1 screws for attaching the unit to a 4-inch square outlet box. The fuck are the screws? It must have not come with them. Oh well, I have screws. But, okay. Screws used to plug unused mounting holes in the basic unit. Terminals and parallel bells are designed to accept 14-gauge wire. Mounted chime or gong must be removed from mechanism to allow mounting mechanism. Units only installed in accordance with the National Electric Code and local electric codes. So you can put it on a 4-inch. You can put it on a 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch gong system. It teaches you how to mount a bell, which is cool, but we're not looking at that. Oh, that's neat. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow, it's cool. It shows you how to mount how to do flush mounting. Look at that. That's like a 4050, or just a simplex or whatever mounting plate, generic mechanical 120 volt AC mounting plate. And you can also, so you can do mechanical schematic for terminal or 4-wire devices for parallel connection for fire alarm applications. Okay. Use both terminals or leads from connection at break wire run to provide electrical supervision. Schematic for devices intended for serious connection. General signal applications not to be used for fire alarm applications. So you can use this. You can use this as a regular. You can use this as an actual like control panel. So this is technically a control panel, but it is not because, oh, thank God, it's 21 to 30 volts. Yes, so we can hook this up to my C224, which I might try doing. But yeah, you can hook this up to a 24 volt power supply and it'll work. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out more of this stuff. But for now, we're going to conclude the video, and I might do another system test video showing off the trouble bell. There are some other videos of it, which I may or may not link in the description. And, yeah, but we're going to conclude the unboxing of the trouble bell, but this is not the end of the video, because I want to do an update. So, a while back, I was given a demo board for an ITI, or Interlogix Concord 4. And it had an i3 in it, and so I hooked it up to this. Don't know what resistors it uses, which is annoying, because there's no info on it. But as you can see, it's an actual demonstration board. It's got the door thing, it's got the ITI siren, it's even got the power supply, and it's got a keypad, which I will open for you. It says ITI on it, so this is probably a system from the 2000s. As you can see, this looks like a, this is just an ITI, either ITI Rue branded or just Interlogix Concord 4. So, yeah, then there's some zone labeling, I don't know what the hell that is. But, we're gonna conclude the unboxing. And so, this has been Tampa Bay Weather, or as some people know me on this channel, Simplex 2. And this is the unboxing of my Faraday 401140 fire alarm system trouble bell.